Okay, it's August 10th, 2020, and this is the weakest hive, and they're right in the shade. I just came out here to look. There's bees all over the ground. I put those boards up there to clog the entrance, so thinking it might be robbing when I first came out, but I'm not sure why there's a bunch in the ground and they're all walking around the ground. Try to zoom in. You can see it's got a little entrance open, but there's some clumps of bees under there. They don't seem very interested in me. I thought it might be too late for swarming. There's more than one clump down there though. There's like 4 or 5. And it's not just one place. They're walking all over the ground, so it's only in front of this hive. I'll try to get them over there. Right over there. I'm not sure how this is going to show up when so what does this mean? I do not know. Looks like I have something to Google. Making that entry really tiny. Seems to come down, but they're walking all over the place. I mean, down in front of the second hive, there's bees walking all over. I mean, down here I can see bees walking. And there's bees walking all the way to here, which is maybe 6, 7, 8 feet from the hive. So, here's another thing. I'll give all the facts. Yesterday I did open up all the hives. I fed them 2-to-1 sugar water with about, 5 tablespoonful of a mix of lemongrass, spearmint, and wintergreen. I mixed that solution into a cup, blended it for, according to Fat Bee Man, for about 5 minutes, and then mixed it in with a quart. So the 5 tablespoons or so, maybe more than that, maybe 8 or 9 tablespoons. But nothing like that is going on in the other hives, and they all got the same thing. You can see they're not bothering me at all. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is just about to come off these hives. You can see it's still on the side here, but as it moves around, they'll be in the shade in about another 20 minutes. So activity seems to have calmed down quite a bit, because when I first noticed it, I had to go put the I put the boards in, and then I walked over and got my glasses, and then I walked back and got my got the iPad. So it's probably 10 minutes since I first noticed the activity, and substantially less when I closed off that hive. The hive, you can see from the front, that hive is closed to about maybe 3 inches anyway, and now I got it closed to about half an inch just in that one corner. So not sure. I'll walk around here and look at the other two just to kind of show for sure. You can see the other two guys. You know, activity, but nothing like what's going on in that first one, which is, like I said, by far my weakest hive. I think there's only maybe, when I took it apart yesterday, there's really 3 frames of bees, a little bit of brood, and a lot of the end frames, nothing at all going on. So that's why I started to feed them heavy. And we'll go down here since we have the iPad out. I was going to give this guy another box, but didn't seem like that top box had much going on. It's got 3 boxes now, so I decided to kind of leave it the way it was. Not sure if that's a smart plan or not. The middle one over there is another relatively weak hive. The first one with the activity, and these two are my 2 weakest. And then there's this guy over here that used to be my. Oh, wait a minute. Are they carrying out? Are they being attacked? What are they carrying out there? Look in that far corner, right over there. They're dragging something out. I can't tell if it's a drone or if it's a bumblebee. No, it looks like maybe a drone. No. I'll try to zoom right in what's going on, but you can see that right there. They're dragging something out there. Tell. See it? See that corner right there? I'm trying to look at the camera. But you can see, there they just fell to the ground. Maybe it is drones. Hold on a minute here. Is it drone cleansing time? Let's see if I zoom right in there, right on that leaf. You see that leaf that's wiggling back and forth there? August 10th. Could it be that? Could it be that drones are being evicted? Let's see if I can get right in on that guy. Let's get rid of it here. There's the 2. That one's on its back. They're stinging the hell out. Oh, it's a black something. Is it a drone? I think so. I think they're saying, get the hell out of here, big guy. We don't need you anymore. She's waggling all over the place.